Hello and welcome to another lesson, crazy class. And you are going to be amazed by what I'm going to teach you now. This is a dictionary technique that nowhere and anyone will ever teach you. Why? Because the more vocabulary you know, the more you understand English. Because a language is based on vocabulary. If you understand the vocabulary, you understand the language. Now, the fact, oh, but grammar, Miki, grammar comes later. Remember that a child, when goes to school, first understand the words and then goes to grammar part. So this is what you're going to do. You're going to get an orange highlighter, Miki, but orange. Why orange? Can I have yellow? No, not yellow. Orange. Why? Because orange has a specific uh wow, I forgot the word now, but has certain characteristics that works differently in your brain. Orange is the color that calls your attention anywhere. So orange is the color indicated for you to do this exercise. Then you're going to take one dictionary. Mickey, I don't have a dictionary. Okay, you can buy one on Amazon or on secondhand shops, anywhere. Okay, it doesn't need to be exaggerated like mine. You can get a smaller dictionary, but not the pocket one, the mini one. No, that's not good because there is a reduction of vocabulary and also difficult for you to highlight. So this is what you're going to do. Open the dictionary, my dictionary, because I needed to learn Italian. My dictionary is Italian English, but English Portuguese or Spanish English, yeah, or Spanish English, whatever language you want to learn. Then you're going to open your dictionary random, not start on letter A, B, C. No. Random. Okay, just open the dictionary. When you open the dictionary, you are going to see that there are thousands of words that are so similar to Portuguese. And or to Portuguese, to Spanish, and also to Italian. And you are going to see that it's not like a monsters with 7 heads. No. It's super easy. Let's start. Let me get here, just random. So this is what you do. You just open the dictionary. And this is an exercise that is going to take you 60 seconds, not more than that. Now, let's make some counts here. If you take the dictionary and you do this exercise for 60 seconds, 60 seconds equals to 1 minute. 1 minute. When you wake up in the morning and you go pee-pee, have your dictionary in the toilet. This is a strategy or a technique, whatever you want to call. Have the dictionary in the toilet with your orange highlighter. Then open the dictionary random and highlight 20 words per day. Now, let's make some calculation here. 20 words, if, let me get the phone because mathematics, definitely not my thing. So let's imagine that you take 20 words per day. 20 words per day times 7 days a week, it equals to 140 words. Only with 60 seconds a day. That means 1 minute. In 1 week, it's 7 minutes to do this exercise. You have 140 words. 140 words times 4, because we have 4 weeks in 1 month. That makes 500. Can you see? 560 words per month. Now, if you do this exercise consistently for 3 months, you multiply 560 words per 3, that gives you 1,680 words. The other lesson I explained to you that for you to have an amount of vocabulary to speak, you need about 2,000, 3,000 words in your vocabulary. Now, these words, they are repeated over and over again because it's not to have like, wow, I am a walking dictionary. No, you don't need to have like an extensive amount of words. You just need some. So if you do this exercise for 3 months, you already have 1,600 words. Now, let me show you how you're going to do this. Open the dictionary. Okay, like this. Letter I. Let's go with the first. Now, how you're going to do this? Every word that is obvious to your brain, you highlight. If it's not obvious, if you have to think, if you have to imagine, if you have to, oh, but it's difficult to remember, then do not highlight. No. Only if it's obvious. It's similar, very, very similar to your main language, which is Italian, Spanish, or Portuguese. So let's go with the first one here. The first one is interference. Interference. It's very similar to Spanish, Portuguese, and Italian. Interferenza, interferencia. Is it something obvious? Yes. Okay, so take the highlighter and interference. Good. Next, interior. Interior is just because you need to get your ears used. You have to get your listening used. So the accent, the form that you express the communication, the accent is different, but the word is the same. So interior. Yeah, interior. Okay, highlight. Next, interior designer. Yes, it's part of the family. Interior designer. Good. Next, interject. Interject, well, maybe it's not super easy, but the next word is interjection. Interjection is like when you are, wow, interjection, interject. Yeah, the two are very similar. So highlight. Next, interlink. Link, you have a link. It's very common, this word. Interlink, it's something that something that makes it definitely connected. Next one, interlocutor. Interlocutor. Locutor is the person who is speaking. Interlocutor, so it's the same. Is it, Mickey, but I will not remember because I don't use. That you don't use is a different topic, but that when you listen, you understand? Yes, then definitely. Okay. Intermediary. Intermediary. Yeah, it's a person that makes the intermediates something. So intermediary, okay. Intermediate is the next word. Intermediate, yeah. So I need to buy a new one. Intermediate. Intermittent. Yeah, it's not super, yeah, but I understand. Okay. Internal. Internal, yeah. Internal, external. Good. Next, internalize. When you internalize something. Yeah, very simple. International. Yes. You see, so here you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 words. 11 words in maybe 2 minutes because I am explaining to you how to do the exercise. But imagine that you sit down in the toilet for your pee time and you do this exercise very fast. The first time, maybe it will take a little bit longer. Then when you get the pace of that goes like fast. Here, in another page, okay? Look. Intestate, intestinal, intestine. Yeah, the organs that we have. Intimidate, intimidation. Intolerance, intolerant, intonation, the voice intonation, intimidate, intimidation, intimidating, intolerance, intolerant, intonation, intoxicant, intestinal, intestine, intimacy, all these only in the letter I. So it's something I want you to have a very, very quick and fast intake of vocabulary. Okay? So every day, open your dictionary for 3 months. 3 months, you do the orange highlighter and the dictionary. 20 words per day. In 3 months, you have 1,600 words in your vocabulary. Now, what does that help, Mickey? It helps also with your self-confidence, because the more vocabulary you have, the faster you understand the things. When you understand the things, it's not that you, because it's not a magic that one day I don't understand English, the other day, ta-da, I understand it. No, it's gradual. Gradually you start learning the language. Okay, so do this exercise every day and make this a part of your routine. If you want to go an extra step from this, you take the words, you write down in your notebook, and you create sentences. The point is, why not? The more you do, remember that you are responsible for your learning experience, for your life, for your English. Not a teacher, not a nutritionist, not the psychologist. If you need to lose weight, you need to walk, you need to run, you need to exercise. If you want to learn a language, you need to study, you need to watch films, you need to force yourself to pop. So go there, make these exercises from the dictionary, and let me know how many new words you learn every day. See you next lesson.